AI model, Python program to generate a hospital patient's e-log DNN network diagram using Plotly with a dark background. Program description. Title, DNN Network Diagram for Hospital Patients E-Log. Author, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Framework, Plotly. Theme, dark background. Layers. Input layer, 10 neurons. Hidden layers, 9 hidden layers, each with 10 neurons. Output layer, 10 neurons. Bar chart explanation. Each circle is a neuron in the network. Gray lines connect neurons from layer to layer. Vibrant colors distinguish each layer. The network has 10 input features, example heart rate, oxygen level, BP, age, etc. 9 hidden layers, deep network. 10 outputs, example diagnosis categories, risk levels, or predicted outcomes. Brain explanation of the DNN network diagram for hospital patients e-log. Doctor and patient point of view. As visualized in the video. Magnifying glass tilted left overview. This image shows a deep neural network, DNN, architecture used for analyzing hospital patients' electronic logs, e-logs, using AI. Each circle represents a neuron that processes health data, and each layer progressively transforms the data to produce insightful medical predictions or alerts. Doctor's point of view. Feature interpretation for doctors. Input layer receives raw patient data such as heart rate, oxygen level, temperature, blood pressure, symptoms, chronic illness flags, diagnostic history, medication compliance, mobility status, recent lab results. Hidden layers, 1 to 9, progressive interpretation and pattern recognition stages. Detect correlations. Identify anomalies. Match with past case histories. Flag high-risk indicators. Track symptom progression. Output layer gives predictions or alerts. Patient deterioration risk. ICU requirement probability. Suggested tests or imaging. Drug interaction risks. Discharge readiness. Infection probability. Network depth. High number of hidden layers, 9, signifies complex modeling of medical data mimicking a multi-specialist consultation. Colors. Each layer is color-coded to help doctors visually interpret the flow of AI logic through the medical pipeline. Connections, edges. Every neuron from one layer connects to all neurons in the next, showing a fully connected deep neural network, where no factor is ignored. Patient's point of view. Feature interpretation for patients. Input layer. This is where personal and medical data gets input to the AI system. Processing layers. The AI goes through many levels to deeply understand my condition and compare it with many other similar cases. Output layer. This is the final result, risk scores, recommendations, and health alerts that help doctor take faster and better decisions. Visual colors. Each color might mean a step or a department analyzing my data, like lab reports, cardiology, or emergency care. Overall network. The more complex the network, the more thorough the system is in finding risks early, saving time and even lives. DNA example use case. Patient P002 uploads their latest vitals and reports to the e-log. The AI passes their data through all 10 input neurons, example heart rate, glucose, CT scan summary. Across 9 hidden layers, the system learns patterns that might indicate silent complications. The output might say, high probability of respiratory distress in next 12 to 24 hours, recommend monitoring and ABG test. Key benefits. For doctors, instant, deep-level interpretation from a sea of patient data. For patients, faster, safer diagnosis with lower chances of oversight. Suggested input neuron labels and output categories for DNN network diagram tailored for a hospital patient's e-log AI system. Green circle. Input layer, 10 neurons. Patient health and history data. Neuron hashtag. Input feature description. Input 1 heart rate, BPM, current pulse measurement. Input 2 blood pressure, mmHg, systolic/diastolic values. Input 3 oxygen saturation, %. SpO2 level. Input 4 respiratory rate breaths per minute. Input 5 body temperature, degrees C, detects fever/infection. Input 6 blood sugar, mg/dl, diabetes monitoring. Input 7 chronic conditions present encoded flags, example diabetes, asthma. Input 8 medication compliance score from digital logs or pill trackers. Input 9 lab results summary score derived score from multiple test results. Input 10 mobility assessment score fall risk or physical therapy indicator. Orange circle hidden layers, 9 layers with 10 neurons each. These layers are not manually labeled, as they represent learned intermediate features such as pattern combinations, example high HR plus low SpO2. Risk cluster recognition. Severity classification stages. Blue circle output layer, 10 neurons AI medical decisions and alerts. Neuron hashtag output feature explanation. Output 1 low risk, continue observation normal vital signs. Output 2 possible infection alert fever plus elevated WBC. Output 3 cardiac risk score based on HR, BP, ECG. Output 4 respiratory distress risk low SpO2, high RR. Output 5 diabetes complication warning sugar level plus compliance. Output 6 medication non-compliance alert missed meds detected. Output 7 recommend immediate lab tests based on abnormal trends. Output 8 ICU admission likelihood, %. Probability estimate. Output 9 sepsis early warning score multivital pattern detection. Output 10 ready for discharge all parameters stable. Explanation of the bar plus line chart. Title, All parameters stable, hospital e-log analysis. Author, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Doctor's point of view. This chart is a real-time decision support visualization showing how stable patients' vital parameters are, expressed as a percentage. It's built to support ward rounds, ICU triaging, discharge planning, and early warning systems. Element what it means for doctors. Bar chart, blue, shows how many vital signs and clinical metrics are stable for each patient. Line chart, white, shows the trend across all 9 patients. Is the ward improving, degrading, or flat? Patient IDs helps identify which patient needs closer attention, especially those below 80%. Value labels. Each bar is labeled with the percent of stable parameters, example patient 4 has 75%. Dark theme suitable for hospital dashboards, low light environments in ICUs, wards. Clinical use case. The doctor sees that patients 4, 6, and 8 have stability scores below 80%, indicating possible worsening condition. Need for reassessment. Rechecking medication compliance or lab results. Patient's point of view. For patients, this chart answers: how stable are my vitals compared to other patients? Element what it means for patients. Bar height reflects how well their body is responding to treatment. The higher, the better. Comparison. Patients can be reassured if their score is on par or higher than others. Progress tracking over time. This chart can show their own progress as they move toward 100% stability. Patient 9 example of a patient nearing discharge readiness with 98% stable parameters. Patient 4 and 6 might need more tests, therapies, or consultation. Repeat button summary table. Patient stability, %. Comment. Patient 1 87% healthy trend. Patient 4 75% clinical concern, monitor closely. Patient 5 95% possibly discharge ready. Patient 9 98% excellent, stable on all parameters. Chart increasing strategic benefits. For management, aggregated scoreboards from such charts can drive resource allocation, nurse deployment, and ICU handovers. For AIR integration, auto-generated from vitals captured in real time, IoT monitors or nursing entries. Thank you.